Hey friends, in honor of the holidays, I'm going to share with you one of my absolutely most favorite and beloved homemade treats that I prefer to have every year and hadn't had in the last couple of years, so I decided to make it and I wanted to share it with you, and that's Kentucky bourbon balls. So traditionally these are made with a semi-sweet chocolate. I prefer dark chocolate, white chocolate, and this year I experimented with butterscotch. The first thing you'll need to do is to soak a cup of chopped pecans in bourbon. I normally just coat it with bourbon until it's all covered. Next, we need 16 ounces of powdered sugar, 1 stick of room temperature butter. We are going to blend that together until it looks something like this. Then we will add in our pecans. I normally strain them so the extra bourbon doesn't get in, and if it needs a little extra, I will add a few extra spoonfuls of bourbon to get this texture here. I then will put that in the refrigerator to let it stiffen up, and then I use my scoop and make balls. Once I've made all the balls, I will put that in the refrigerator and allow it to sit for about an hour. This year I have chose my Chardonnay white chocolate and dark chocolate melting wafers. This is what I normally use, and we're going to experiment with some butterscotch. So to do this, we're just going to do the double boil method. Get it all melty. And we want to dip the bourbon balls in with a toothpick. We want to do this rather quickly. It's okay if it's messy. You can see here on this pan that one of them didn't get covered. That's okay. After I've done all of one kind, I will go back with whatever I have left over and cover the tops and make them all beautiful. This was one of each of the finished product. I was pretty happy with them overall. You can eat them chilled out of the refrigerator, but I believe they are best once they've reached room temp. So there you have it. That's my whole process on making homemade Kentucky bourbon balls. I will put in the description box below all of the necessary items so you can make it at home if you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and me sharing with you one of my favorite treats during the holidays. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite treat for the holidays is, especially if it's a homemade one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Happy holidays, and until the next time, shake a tail feather.